Hey guys, it's me. Um, I've been dead for a while, and not to mention, I'm honestly have been feeling a bit down in the dumps. Anyways, um, uh, recently I got a job, and I might get an interview today. I don't know. But I do know one thing is for sure. The okay, yeah, I might be getting an interview today, but there was a thing that I had to order. It was the Josh Dub hoodie, and let me just say this, okay? Cause like, okay. Cause like I fucking hate 2020. It did, like I said in my one of my last videos, that 2020 was gonna be when the world fucking ends, but that was just a joke. But it basically is ending, cause like I mean, come the fuck on. Look. We have to go. We can't go outside that much. We have to wear masks. We have to stay at our own country. Like, we just can't fucking do anything. People are burning down shit. Like, I know I'm not supposed to talk about this shit on the fucking internet, like on Amino or fucking YouTube or anything. But like, come the fuck on. Like, you need to know about this, because, like, you can't just hide it. You can't just keep it, like, locked up and be like, no. Let's not talk about that. Let's just move on. No. How about we discuss a real problem in the world? I mean, honestly. Not there's anything wrong with ignoring. I'm just saying, like, maybe we should at least focus on the task at hand. Anyways, back to the Josh Dub thing. I got a sweatshirt, and they sent it to the wrong address, and I already got fucked over twice by two companies. One by his company, and the second by a fucking mask company about someone who scammed my mother out of $60 as well. So, thank you, COVID, for ruining deliveries. Anyways, last but not least, I'm about to go on a rant, but it's like, just fucking. I need you to also do something for me though, before I go on this next subject. I know I don't ask this at all, really, but can you guys like share this video with your friends, family, or something? Like the video. Please do comment. Like I never say any of those words, but I haven't been getting much support, so I just thought it would be good for you guys to reach out to other people. So yeah, if you know anyone, please do send this to them and stuff to become part of the leech army, I call it now. Sounds better than cancer army. Kind of bad name. Why the fuck did I use that name anyways? Anyways, alright. Everyone has heard of Doom Eternal, right? Obviously. Of course you fucking do. Now, I go on Microsoft Edge and Twitch. So, like, okay, so, you know how things have, like, Twitch Prime rewards, and it's like, oh, Twitch Prime, oh, you get this reward, and fucking, and the other, and you have to set it up by getting fucking more fucking Prime Video. So I have that, as you can see. Look, Prime Video. So I have Prime Video. Let me just switch to Mixer. I mean Twitch, bitch. Boom, I have Twitch. I would just have to sign in, blah 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 blah, do all that shit, blah. Boom, there, we're good. But here's the interesting part. When we go to Microsoft Edge to claim this shit, now I play Doom Eternal. So, this is what I would do. I go into the game, right? Yeah. And so I didn't get the Doomicorn one because, I mean, I didn't really see anything appealing, but I was supposed to get the mullet skin. So I did, I claimed it, as you can see, it's right there, claimed. Fucking check mark. But here's the most interesting one. So since it didn't work the first time, I thought, okay, well, maybe it was an error, maybe it was a glitch, you know, totally not sus right now. But like I knew another one was coming, but I claimed that, right? I claimed that. So yeah, that's fine. So this just happened to me. I want someone to contact fucking Bethesda about this right now, because this shit's ridiculous, and I'm starting to get fucking pissed fuck off. So I enter... Oh, okay, so, look. I'm entering Doom Eternal. Right? So once this loads up, then, I shall show the problem. I'll pick up my phone when it loads. There we go, loading. God, it's fucking hot in my room. There we go. Doom Eternal, there. Right there, see? Now, see, it's checking into Bethesda, signing in, and then connecting. And now... baby, I go in, and, do you see anything wrong? Because when you click on, the, Microsoft Edge and go to this and the others, you're supposed to go to the fucking, you need to go to the more fucking, you gotta go to the customization menu, which is literally in the main menu, and you do, right? You do. And you do that, but there's supposed to be an explanation mark. You're just like, oh, nothing's wrong. But it's like, it tells you that you need to fucking, like, you know, like, you know how it says, like, you need to re-log in just to claim your fucking thing? Like, okay, yeah, that's tedious, but, okay, fair enough. Well, how come I still don't have it, Bethesda? I thought you were my childhood, man. Come on, don't backstab me like this. What the fuck? What the fuck? What is this? What is this? Look at this! Nothing is new! I have nothing new! Bethesda! Do you know how long that fucking took me? That took me a day. I was, sitting here in my bed during the night. Alright, picture this. 15-year-old boy sitting in the middle of the night, the middle of the fucking night, got his mother up to help him do this. Now, what Bethesda doesn't realize is that Ryan is big fucking stupid and doesn't know how to work a fucking Xbox. So he doesn't know how to set up Twitch Prime. So his mother helps him. His own fucking mother. Like, his own mother. Yeah? And approximately took 3 hours. Well, I'm a bit sus. So they told us that we had to fucking go ahead and also go to Bethesda Net. But this didn't only just happen to me. This happened to other fucking people. And it fucking is still happening. So they told me to press this, boo, 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 do all this shit, and then reset the Xbox, play it for a couple of minutes, go back to the menu somehow that fucking works, and go to customization. It should be there. No, fucking not. I already did that. I tried hard resetting it. I tried just resetting it. Nothing worked. So somebody email their asses before I will fucking, like, try and call Microsoft on you, you fucking wanker. Don't make me use my Microsoft magic on your fucking ass, you fucking twat. If you ever stick that thing in me again with that bullshit, don't fuck me. Don't fuck me again like that. Don't fuck me. Don't fuck me over. Because it's like, cause you know, it's just like, you don't do that after 3 fucking hours of doing something. Come on, it's just like you fuckers. It's ridiculous. It's just, you fuckers are just ridiculous. You know, you fuckers. You know, it's just like, oh yeah, have this, and then let's rip it away. 3 hours, yay, fucking rip it away, dude. It's just, you fuckers, you motherfucker, I will rain hellfire upon you.